Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to set up Facebook automation software. Firstly, copy this link paste to Microsoft Edge. Remember not to use Google Chrome. I will put download link in the comment below. While waiting the app download, go to Setup Virus Protection. This is necessary because it will affect your ability to download and use the software. After the download is complete, extract the files. Set up file exclusion. Run auto update. After successfully downloading the Facebook automatic software, launch it. Copy and send me this code to Active. Set up like the video, then you can use.